Today our topic is the calculation of quartile deviation in case of continuous series but exclusive series. As you know what is exclusive series? Exclusive series is where the upper limit repeats, that is 0 to 10, 10 repeats here in lower limit also. In the other case 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. This is in this exclusive series. Now in order to calculate the quartile deviation, as you know what is the formula for calculating quartile deviation. First of all, what we have to do, the first and foremost step is we have to calculate the cumulative frequency here. So cumulative frequency, when the data is in ascending order, we calculate cumulative frequency from above. Now this is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, 10 plus 1 is equal to 11, 11 plus 4 is equal to 15, 15 plus 2 is equal to 17, 17 plus 3 is equal to 20. So this is cumulative frequency here. Now first of all we have to calculate the Q1. Q1 here, the formula for calculating Q1 is size of n divided by 4th atom. This is size of n divided by 4th atom. N is here 20 divided by 4. 20 divided by 4, that is 5th atom. So we have to find the 5th atom here. So 5th atom lies in the cumulative frequency of 5. It lies in the cumulative frequency of 5. So here simply we can say this Q1 lies here 10 to 20. This is a Q1 class. So we can say 5th atom lies in cumulative frequency of 5, whose class is 10 to 20. So 10 to 20 is our quartile first Q1 class. So in order to calculate Q1, the formula for Q1, calculating Q1 is L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into I. Sorry, this is like this. This Q1 is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into I, n by 4, sorry. So here Q1 is L1. L1 is the lower limit of the class where our Q1 group lies, that is 10. This 10. So plus n by 4. N by 4 is n is the number, that's 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5 minus Cf is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. This is quartile group Q1 class. So that means हमें उस ग्रुप की cumulative frequency लिखनी है जो हमारे quartile group से पहले आता है. हमारा quartile group 10 to 20 है, इससे पहले है 0 to 10. Its cumulative frequency is 2. So we will write here 2 divided by F. F is the frequency of this Q1 class, that is 3. Its frequency is 3. N to I is the interval, here interval is 10. So we will write here 10 plus 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 divided by 3 into 10. So 10 plus 3 by 3 is equal to 1 into 10 is equal to 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So our first quartile, that is Q1, is 20. Now we will find here Q3. Q3 is size of 3n by 4th atom. So 3n by 4 is n divided by 4th atom is 5, which we have calculated here. So this 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So 15th atom, we have to find out 15th atom. 15th atom lies in the cumulative frequency of 15, whose class is this 40 to 50. So 40 to 50 is our Q3 class. So we can write here 15th atom lies in cumulative frequency of 15, whose class is 40 to 50. So 40 to 50 is our Q3 class. So we will write here the formula for calculating Q3. So Q3 is equal to L1 plus 3n by 4 minus Cf divided by F into I. So L1 is again the lower limit, that is 40 here. This 40 plus 3n by 4, which we have already called 3n by 4 is equal to 15, minus CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. This is the quartile group Q3 class, that is 11 here. Divided by F. F is the frequency is here 4, N to I is 10. So we will write here 40 plus 15 minus 11 is equal to 4 divided by 4 into 10. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. So here this is equal to 40 plus 10 1 is 10. 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. Here is 20 and Q3 is here 50. Now we will write here the formula for calculating quartile deviation here. That means quartile deviation QD is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So Q3 is 50, Q1 is 20, divided by 2 is equal to 50, minus 20 is equal to 30, divided by 2, which is equal to 15. So simply we can say our quartile deviation is 15.